Through this short video, we'll show you a few effective methods to help visually manage colostrum cows. Having a clear and simple to use animal identification strategy that allows staff to clearly identify animals at a glance is best practice for really effective herd management. Colostrum cows must be withheld from the milking herd for 8 milkings, which is 4 days. Heifers should be withheld for 10 milkings. This is because colostrum milk may contain dry cow therapy residue. We have identified 3 ways to mark colostrum cows. Option 1. Only milk the smiley face. Day 1. Using blue, mark a dot on the top left of the cow's udder. Day 2. Using blue, mark a dot on the top right of the cow's udder. Day 3. Using blue, mark a dot in the middle of the udder, under the previous day's dots. Day 4. Using blue, draw a smile at the bottom of the 3 previous blue dots. This indicates the cow can now join the herd. Option 2. The 4 dots principle. Day 1. Using blue, mark a dot on the top left of the cow's udder. Day 2. Using blue, mark a dot on the top right of the cow's udder. Day 3. Using blue, mark a dot on the bottom left of the cow's udder. Day 4. Using blue, mark a dot on the bottom right of the cow's udder. This indicates the cow is ready to join the main herd. Option 3. Colour bands. Day 1. Using blue, mark a line across the cow's udder. Day 2. Using yellow, mark a line over the blue across the cow's udder. Day 3. Using pink, mark a line over the yellow across the cow's udder. Day 4. Using orange, mark a line over the pink across the cow's udder. End of day 4. Using green, mark a line over the orange to identify the cow is good to join the main herd.